Guys, welcome to math. We are going to go ahead and start our new unit. And it's going to be counting by ones, by twos, and by zero. We're going to be doing different ways of counting on. We're going to put a number in our head and count up. We're going to be using a number line, and we're going to be drawing pictures just to get your noggins ready. Okay, so the first thing I would like you guys to do is go ahead and take out your whiteboard, your markers, and your socks while I get the slideshow ready for us. All right, guys, so it's pulling itself up right now. And we're not going to do every single problem on here today because it is Monday. It is a shorter day. So some of these I'm just going to be going through, and you're just going to be putting your finger on your ear and listening. And the other ones that we are going to definitely be using our whiteboard, our marker. Just don't forget when Miss Simon says 1, 2, 3, you put your markers down. 1, 2, 3, show me what you know. You hold it with 2 hands above your head so she can quickly say, great job, awesome, great. And then you guys will put it down. Remember, do not erase that board until she tells you to, okay? She might even pull a stick and say, oh, wow, Reagan, that was awesome. Would you like to show the class how you did that? So different things are going to be going on. Just make sure those feet are on the floor, your hands are on top, and we are going to start as soon as this show wants to start. I do happen to know the first question on here, and that is, when it wants to show itself, is the number, oh, here we go. It's going to show you quickly some counters on a tens frame. And they're going to say quickly, how many counters did you see really fast? And you're going to decide in your head real fast, was that tens frame full? You know if it's full, we say the number 10. If it's not full, we're going to have to count the counters. Okay, so it's the very first step that we're going to do right now. All right, so what number do you guys see? Yes, awesome. Thank you for raising your hand. All right, yes, we do see 8 counters because 2 counters are not full on the tens frame. All right, now what do you see? They added 1 more yellow counter there. So I want you guys to put your 8 in your noggin, and I want you to count on 1 more. So here's 8. Oh, what comes after 8? Good, raise your hands quickly. Awesome, let's have a friend find it. Good, hopefully you guys said 8, 9, because what comes after 8 is 9. We're going to look at it because they added 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, they're going to do it 1 more time. We're going to put that big number in our head, and we're going to count on the yellow counters. So remember, we're starting with our red counters, 8. So everyone put 8 in your head. All right, 8's in that head. You ready? Let's see how many yellow counters they're going to be adding to it. 2. All right, friends. So put 8 in your head. Take out 2 fingers. Go ahead. Miss Simonton's going to call on someone who's counting on. All right, perfect. Hopefully you guys said 8, 9, 10. All right, here comes our next one. I am going to ask you guys to use your marker. You're going to be writing your own equation for this and drawing a picture to go with it. Remember, this is not art class. We are not drawing the girls. We're drawing circles. So we have 6 girls on the playground. No more girls join them. How many girls are on the playground now? So you're gonna have to think to yourself, no more girls. What number would that be? So go ahead, try that on your whiteboard. Remember, we started with 6. We're gonna add no more girls, and then what is your answer? Go ahead and pause me while you guys solve this problem. Okay, great. Hopefully you guys said 6 plus 0, because when there's nobody else, it's the number 0. So hopefully you guys were able to find that number. All right, so here we go. 6, and we add nobody to it. That's 0. It stays 6. The number stays the same. All right, so we are going to continue counting on 1, 2, and 0 more. Okay, here we go. 3 dogs are at the dog park. 1 more dog joins them. You guys are going to draw a picture on your whiteboard, write an equation, and tell us the answer. Remember, when you're done, you're going to flip that whiteboard over so no one sees your answer. Put your marker down so you're not drawing on anything. And then when Miss Simonton says 1, 2, 3, show me what you know. Markers go down. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, markers down, markers go down. 1, 2, 3, show me what you know. It goes over your head. Remember, you don't get in trouble for for getting the wrong answer. You get in trouble if you don't try. Okay, so we just want to see you putting your best effort forward. Go ahead and solve. 3 dogs are at the park and 1 more dog joins them. Go ahead and pause me. All right, great. Hopefully you guys drew 3 circles, because remember, it's not art class. We're not drawing dogs. And then you drew 1 more circle, and then you wrote the equation. 3 plus 1 more makes 4. All right, awesome. Hopefully we can have a friend come up next time and show us how you solve that problem. 5 plus 2. So go ahead, I want you to draw that picture, write an equation, put your answer, flip it over so no one sees it. Remember, Miss Simonton's going to say 1, 2, 3, markers down. And remember, we're all trying. We don't give up. We don't just sit there. And she might even call on her friend to help us. Oh, pause me. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys had 5 circles and 2 circles. And 5 plus 2 makes 7. Now I want you to go over one of the vocabulary words in here, sum. And sum means answer. Okay, and it normally is always associated with an addition sentence. So 5 plus 2 more is 7. All right, we're going to do the next one. What is the sum? Remember, that's our new vocabulary word, which means answer, to 10 plus 0. Again, you're going to draw a picture, write the equation, then you're going to write the answer, flip it over, and she's going to do her job. All right, pause me. All right, hopefully you guys drew 10 circles plus 0 circles, and we know that if we're adding 0 to a number, that number stays the same because we added nothing to it, okay? So you guys should have said 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay, here we go. I want you to add 1 more to the number that is represented in the tens frame. And represented means that we're going to look at those counters and find that number. And remember, sum means answer. So these have been some great vocabulary words today. So we have 5 counters, and we're going to add 1 more to it. So go ahead, draw your picture on your whiteboard, write your equation and your answer, and then flip it over. Go ahead and pause me. All right, great job. Hopefully you guys said 5 plus 1 more equals 6. This is your last whiteboard problem that we're going to be working on right now. So we have 6 counters plus 2 more counters. Go ahead, solve that problem. And you can pause me. All right, so here we go. Hopefully you guys said 6 counters plus 2 more counters made 8, or you could also put 6 in your head, and what comes after 6? 7, 8. So hopefully you guys did that, and you guys shared your thoughts and your ideas. While I'm switching our screen, you are going to put your whiteboard away, your marker in your sock, put everything in your desk. Ms. Simonton is going to pass out 2-1 problems for you guys, and I'm going to pull that 2-1 up onto my screen. I do know it's a little bit slow, so just be patient. Okay, so my screen looks like your screen. And we are going to do a couple of these together. We're going to not go in order, I decided today, because the first page and then the very last page are probably the hardest ones. So I want you guys to do the middle pages on your own today. And remember, we learned from Friday that when you guys took that practice test, that we need to work a lot more on our own, that Miss Wallace and Miss Simonton are not going to be helping you as much as we have in the past, because we want you to use that noggin, turn it all the way on to superpower strength so you can do your work. So we're going to go ahead and solve this problem. And it says that we're going to put 4 carrots in this pot. And then the boy gave the rabbit 2 more carrots. So what I want you guys to do, and I got to find my pencil right here, is we are going to write the number 4 in the pot. Then we're going to draw 2 more circles because he gave him 2 more carrots. So if we have the number 4, we're going to count on. So here's 4, and here's 4 in your noggin. Take out 2 because we're going to count on. So let's do that together. Ready, guys? 4. What comes after 4? 5, 6. Perfect. So if we wrote our equation, we're going to write down 4 plus 2. Sorry, it's not beautiful. Not as talented on this as some of you guys are. 6. Okay, so hopefully you guys wrote down that equation as well. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is I'm just going to give you directions. So I want right now everyone to put your pencils inside that desk. Put your hands on top like this. Okay, that means Reagan, put your pencil away. Carson, put your pencil away. Sean, put your pencil away. Great job. Thank you, Bryson. Thank you, Noah. Great job, Clayton Hawkins. Great job, Lexi. All right, so this page you're going to do on your own, just like we did on the front page, where you're going to put 8 in your head, and you're going to count on what comes, 2 more. What comes after 8? 9, 10. So you guys are going to do all these problems by yourself. Oh, you're just listening. Do not pick up that pencil. All right, now this page looks like this. We're going to see a number line on top, and I want you guys to do the number line with me. Miss Simonton and I are going to do the first 3 with you. Then you're going to stop, put your pencils down, and we'll do the last page together. Okay, but you will come back to this page on your own. So everyone get your pencil up. Good job. Isaiah, your pencil's in your hand. Good job, Lincoln. Your pencil's in your hand. So we're going to go ahead, and it says start on 2. We're going to go ahead and put a dot on 2. And it wants us to make 3 jumps. So just watch how I make my jumps. You guys ready? Remember, I'm starting on 2. 1, 2, 3. And we landed on the number 5. So we're going to go ahead and write the number 5 right here. We're going to practice 2 more times, so don't worry. So let's go ahead. This one says 8. So we're going to start on 8. So everyone put your dot on 8. And we're going to make 1 jump. Good job, Abby-Lynn. Good job, Caitlin Prawley. And we're going to go, ready? 1. And we landed on the number 9. Good job, Victoria. We're going to put the number 9 right here. 7 plus 1. Now this time we're going to start on 7. Put your dot here. Good job, Olivia. And we're going to make 1 jump. Ready? 1. And I landed on the number 8. So let's go ahead and write the number 8 here. Perfect. Now, hands up. Put that pencil inside your desk. Good job, Jacob. You're such a good listener. Now I want to show you something. Number 10 and number 12. If you notice, they put their equal sign in a different spot. We've never really seen that before. This is our very first time seeing this. It's okay. We can still solve this problem because we're going to stretch our noggin and think about it. So it's saying 9 is the answer. We have 6, and we're going to count on to see what we get to 9. So I'm going to put my pencil here. You are not putting your pencil anywhere. Right, and keep that pencil on your desk. Good job, Carson. So here's 6, and we're going to make how many jumps until we get to this number 9? So here we are on 6. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. It took me 3 jumps to get to the number 9. So I'm going to put the number 3 here. You're going to do this one by yourself. The answer is 6. You start on 5. And how many more do we need to get to 6? Okay, but you'll do that on your own. Don't worry. Now, the next page, the very last one, when you flip it over, you're going to see 4 word problems on here. This is the page that we are going to do together. All right. And I thought this would be a better way for you guys to do this with me because I know that reading that on your own might be a little tricky. So don't pick up that pencil yet. We're just going to think about it. Dana has 7 grapes. She gets 3 more. How many grapes now? Well, if she's getting more, go ahead and raise your hand. Am I adding or taking away? Good. Hopefully you guys said adding. So if I start with 7, I'm going to write, oops, I got to click on my pencil. I'm going to start with 7. And you guys told me since more means add, I'm going to put my plus sign here, 3. Now I'm going to put 7 in my head, take out the number 3. Ready, friends? 7. What comes after 7? 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So let's go ahead and write 10 right here. Now, this is kind of like that tricky one that we just saw on the number line. Some of you guys just say, oh, I see 6 plus 9. I'm going to go ahead and add those problems. But that's not what we need to do in a word problem. We really need to listen to what those numbers are asking us. So it says Anna fills a bowl. Anna fills 6 bowls. Okay, I got that. Jason fills some more. Okay, now they have 9 bowls in all. So what we're going to do is put those pencils down. And I really want you to think. So we have 9 bowls filled. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys are just listening. 5. Good job, Jacob. Your eyes are on the screen. 6, 7. Good job, Sean. 8 and 9. Okay. 6. Anna fills 6 of those bowls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Anna filled this many. Sorry, it's not beautiful. All right. Jason filled some more, but we don't know that number. But now I can find it because see, look how many are left. That means Jason filled. Let's count them together. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. He filled 3 of them. So I'm going to put the number 6 here because that's how many Ann filled. Then I know that Jason filled more, and you guys just told me more means to add. And then I'm going to put a 3 here because we just found it. 1, 2, 3. And now let's count them all and make sure it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Awesome. You guys can go ahead and make sure that 15 and 16 are done. You can pause me. When you guys have 15 and 16 done, well, you can unpause me and I'll keep helping you. All right, means you're ready for me. So down here, this is a riddle. And let me tell you, riddles are hard for not only first graders, second graders, third graders, fourth graders, and even the fifth graders. So let's do this one together. It says that Max has 1 more than Gina. Okay, but how many does Gina have? I don't know. Gina has 3 more than Sal. Okay, Sal has 4 carrots. So the only information I really know is that Sal has 4 carrots. So let's go ahead and put a 4 here for Sal because that is all we know. Now, a lot of my friends just say, oh, Max has 1 and Gina has 3. But that means we weren't listening to the word problem. So we're going to go back in and really listen to it. It says Gina has 3 more than Sal. Well, if Sal has 4 and Gina has 3 more than this number, okay, I want you guys to figure it out right now. So go ahead and pause me. All right, I'm back. So hopefully you guys said Sal had 4, and then we're going to count 3 more. So what comes after 4? Ready, guys? 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna put a 7 here. All right, now Max has one more than Gina. Again, you're gonna pause me. Think about it. Gina has 7 and Max has one more than 7. All right, you're unpaused. Okay, so here we go. So 7, I'm gonna put it in my noggin, and one more. What comes after 7? 8. So we're gonna put an 8 here. All right, the last one, you guys are gonna solve this. Put your hand down. Miss Simonton's gonna make sure. You guys could have put 5 in your head and counted up 2 more, or you can draw your 5 dots and 2 dots to solve that problem, 5 plus 2. Go ahead and pause me. All right, perfect. Hopefully you guys said that 5 plus 2 is 7. All right, so when you guys work on your own, it's very easy. You're just going to do the number line problems and the counting on problems. So you guys are going to be doing number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 by yourself. And then you're also going to be doing, sorry, it takes a while. I believe it's 2, 3, 4. Yep. 2, 3, and 4 by yourself. Okay, when you're done, you can just put your thumb up. Miss Simonton will come around and check you, and then you guys can go ahead and write your own word problems in your math notebook. Because today is a Friday and it is a shorter day, that is all you guys are going to be able to do today. So I'm just going to give you an example of what a word problem would look like. Oops, I don't think that works actually. So an example would be Brennan has 5 dogs. He gets 2 more dogs. How many dogs in all? So he's going to write those words and he's going to draw his picture with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, 1, 2 dots, and he's going to write his equation 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay. I know you guys did awesome today, and I will see you again soon.